Hello to all my viewers. Today we are going to discuss how to do the prediction for new dataset using polynomial regression in KNIME. In case of polynomial regression analysis, our basic assumption is that a relationship between dependent and independent variable is non-linear. All other things remain same, that is one dependent variable. There can be many independent variables. And it is necessary that the dependent and independent variable both are on continuous scale. The example of the continuous scale is blood pressure, weight, and height. What do you mean by polynomial regression? It is a form of a regression analysis in which the relationship between independent variable x and the dependent variable y is modeled as a nth degree polynomial. See here, y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x. In case of polynomial, we are taking it can be x1 square, x2 square, that way. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in KNIME Analytics platform that if we are given new data set completely, how we can run it. So for this, first of all, I'll activate input and output from here. I'll activate Excel Reader. Now I'll double click on it. I'll browse the file. I'll locate my file, which is in Excel format. Click open, apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. So our data set consists of the variable mileage, that is miles per gallon, number of cylinders, displacement of the vehicle, horsepower of the vehicle, displacement rate, weight of the vehicle, QSEC, vertical or straight engine, automatic or manual transmission, number of gears, and number of carburetors. Now I want to activate the polynomial regression learner. Done. Right click on it, configure. Our target variable is mileage. We want to find out the factors, or rather the variables which are influencing the mileage of the vehicle. I'll include the weight of the vehicle and the horsepower of the vehicle. And I'll take the power 2. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again go back here and write down regression predictor. So disconnect this. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of the lecture series. Now right click on it and see coefficient and statistics. If the p-value is less than 0.05, it means that these variables are significantly contributing to the mileage of the vehicle. We had also discussed about what type of equation or regression model is formed on the basis of this in my earlier video. You can refer it. So I'll close this. Again, I'll come back here. Now I'll connect this and I will execute. Before that, configure custom prediction columns, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the predicted data. You can see this is the original data and this is a predicted data. Now, how successful we are, or rather how much the model is successful, that will be evaluated on the basis of the numeric score. Right click on it, configure, mileage of the vehicle, click OK, right click, execute. Again, right click on it and see the statistics. The R square is quite good, 0.891. It is more than 0.7. It means that the model is having an explanatory power of 89%. Or in other words, horsepower and weight jointly are able to explain 89% variation in mileage of the vehicle. Now, the next step, we are having another data set, a completely new data set, which is you can say a test data. So I'll double click on it and I'll browse the data set. This is empty cars test. Click open, click apply, click OK. Execute. Right click on it and see the file table. This data set was never used as a learner was never used in our model. This is completely a fresh data set, a new data set. So we want to do the prediction of it. Let me right click and I'll show it to you. We are having original data mileage, but we don't have any prediction. I want to do the prediction. How can I do it? So what will I do? I will again activate the regression predictor from here. So this predictor will get the data from this Excel reader, but from where it will get its learning. So it will get its learning from here. I'll connect this to. Again, right click on it, configure, custom production column, custom prediction column name, right click, execute. Again, right click on it and see the predicted data. So this is the mileage and this is the prediction. Again, we want to do we want to evaluate that how much the model is successful. So we'll copy this numeric score here. I'll again connect it, right click, configure. Make sure mileage is the target variable and the prediction is MPG. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the statistics. So you can see here R square is 0.711 and adjusted R square is 0.71. So comparatively, the R square is less than the original data set. It is bound to happen because it happens normally that when a new data set is given to a model, its R square is less than the original model. It happens. It's normal. So this is a way you can uh, do the prediction for a new data set in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.